It's starting to sprinkle on me. I haven't even waited that long. It's not even 11:05 yet. And I'm not too, I don't know, I thought it should have come off easier than this. And look at this. It should just slide right off. And I don't know if because this is exterior, it shouldn't matter. It's got all kinds of different paint types. This is already drying. I mean, I wanted to get this paint off, and what I'm ultimately going to do on these steps is I'm going to mix up my rock hard water putty, and I'm going to put over this on all the cracks and stuff. But I thought, shoot, I want to get off as much of this paint as I can. I didn't think it would be that big of a deal, you know, with the paint remover. Before I did that, but it's almost like it's hardly doing anything. I mean, granted, it's taking off anything that's loose. And I guess anything that's still there, I could go over it with my rock hard water putty, you know. Just leave it just like that, and then go over it knowing that it's not going to come up. At least all of the loose stuff has come up. My word, it should have been way easier than that. Jasco, are you failing me? What's the deal, Delio? I shouldn't have to put more on. This is the second application. Pretty soon I'll be using a quart for each step. Can't be doing that. Good thing I'm not just painting. I'm going to paint directly over these steps after I get this removed. Because I'm going to have to put, I want to do a really good job on these stairs. And so that's why I want to use that rock hard water putty, because that'll cover up all the joints, because this is not a 4x12, remember? It's a glue lamp beam, 2x4, 2x4, 2x4 on edge, inch and a half, inch and a half, inch and a half, inch and a half. And I would never have used these on steps, a glue lamp beam, because of all the moisture issues that you get between the joint and stuff. So that's why I want to coat this with my rock hard water putty. Yeah. I thought for sure it would work a lot easier than this. imagine trying to take this off with a little plastic applicator? I mean, I'm using my 3-inch, and this is pretty stiff, and I'm having issues with it already. I'm just trying to get it all off. That's pretty lame. You failed me, Jasco. Good Lord. Just because these steps are on the exterior doesn't mean it should be this hard to get this stuff off. I really have to put another application of this stuff on. I think I'm going to. That's pretty crappy. Man. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to put more stuff on. Now that I'm in it, I mean, if I'm having this issue, are you going to have the issue too? I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, let's try it again. Let's try it again. There's only going to be so many times I'm going to be able to do this. Now it's raining on me too. Oh, good grief. Good grief, Charlie Brown. It's at 10% chance of rain. No raindrops on the forecast. Ugh. I may have to stop. I don't know how much more rain's going to get on me. I don't think it's supposed to rain very much. When the going gets tough, the tough get going, right? Right. Right. Rightio. Come on, paint remover. Do your stuff, will you? Round 3 coming up. can get off, I'm going to get off on this round, and that's it. It's already starting to stop sprinkling. Those bottom steps have just that one coat on, and I think I'm gonna scrape some of it as best I can. Maybe I can take some of it off while this is doing its thing. Look at these gloves. These are the same gloves I've been using since day one on this project, and I kind of like them now. You know, I didn't think they were going to work out that well. I had some black ones, were a little bit thinner than this, but hey, I've gotten paint on this. This has protected me from getting slivers in my hands and just all kinds of stuff. You get used to wearing gloves. Make sure you get the right size. I think these are medium large or something, and at the store they have different ones, and try to find them in a 6-pack or a 5-pack. I think I got this in a 5-pack for like $6. It was a ridiculous price, and at the time I didn't really need any. I had 3 or 4 other pairs, and I thought, hey, I can't pass it up, because not always can you find these in a 5 or 6-pack at the store for $8 or $9 or less. Okay, so when you can find them, look for them at the store and try to find them in a 5 or 6-pack in bulk. Don't just find some and say, oh, okay, yeah, okay, those are $5.99 for a pair. Okay, that's fine. I'll get those. Well, can you imagine if you bought 6 of those for that? So think about buying in bulk.